Ideas build nations. Ideas start revolutions, but ideas can also justify oppression. Today, we're exploring the power of ideas in colonialism, how beliefs, stories, and truths were used to dominate entire societies. Colonialism was not only about armies and ships, it was powered by ideas. In the 16th and 17th centuries, European thinkers promoted the belief that they were more civilized. By the 19th century, this turned into scientific racism, social Darwinism, and the myth of the white man's burden. The idea that colonizers were morally superior and destined to rule. These ideas made violence look like progress. Frantz Fanon showed how colonized people began to internalize these beliefs, doubting their own worth and culture. Edward Said later explained how the West created images of the Orient as exotic, backward, and irrational. These ideas shaped textbooks, films, and politics, and many still exist today. Contemporary sociologist Gurminder Bhambra argues that modern history is told from a European perspective, hiding colonial exploitation. Achille Mbembe explains that colonial ideas didn't disappear, they evolved into new systems of control through economics, borders, and media narratives. Raywin Connell highlights how Western knowledge is treated as universal, while ideas from the global South are ignored. Muslim thinkers also challenged colonial thinking. Ali Shariati warned against West toxification, copying Western ideas without critical thought. Malik Bennabi argued that true liberation begins with intellectual independence, not just political freedom. Saba Mahmood showed how Western ideas reminded Muslim women how to live, often dismissing their own choices and values. Islam teaches that ideas shape action. The Quran reminds us that Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. This shows that transformation begins in the mind. Colonialism controlled land, but ideas controlled souls. Understanding this helps us ask, whose ideas shape our dreams, success, and self-worth? True decolonization means choosing which ideas deserve power over us. Empires fall, but their ideas can still rule. Are we truly free? Call to action. If you enjoyed this deep dive, like, share, and subscribe for more videos that challenge how we think about history and society.